Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Cadillac Driven. Today, we got a quick video for you all to check out. We're going to save you some money. Listen, we got to stop giving the dealership our money for something that we can do ourselves. Today, we're going to be replacing the engine filter in the Cadillac CT6. There's no videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd put one out there for the people who are considering wanting to do this for themselves. And for those of you all who want to do the cabin filter, I will leave a link in the description box down below for you guys to check out that video so you can see how it's done and how easy it is. With that being said, let's get started with this video. All right, you all, let's get started with this video. Today, we're going to be changing the air filter in the Cadillac CT6. Now, again, there's no videos on YouTube. So, ladies, if you're trying to do this yourself, listen, it's really, really easy. If you can't do it yourself, then get your guide. This is going to save you some money changing your engine air filter and your cabin filter, okay? This is the filter here that we're going to be putting in, and it seemed fairly easy. We have two screws here, one there, then we have three over here on the side that we got to take out, and this is the little box that has to come off. Now mine unfortunately has a bar. I was watching the one for the Cadillac CT6 and it seemed real easy. It doesn't have that bar. Don't worry about it. You don't have to take this bar off at all. We're gonna have to unscrew this, loosen it up, and this should slide right off. This little tab comes up, and then you got to push this up from the bottom. You may need a flathead screwdriver in order to do that. It should go up right here. So that should be pretty easy. All right. Now, the air filter should be changed about every 15,000 miles. All right. I got this one from AutoZone in my area. Just go to your auto parts store. I had to order mine because they didn't have anything in stock. Doesn't take that long to get to you, but it needs to be done. All right. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take these screws out. I'm using a flathead. As you can see, you can use a Phillip if you have a big enough Phillip head. But looking at this, I'm going to use the flathead. That should be easy for me to get this off. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get started. All right, you all, listen, we had a little complication. I told you that the bar won't come off, that the bar didn't have to come off. The bar does have to come off. It's got 3 bolts in it, right? It goes here and it goes over here. And I thought I would be able to slide it from up under, but it would not lift. But the bolts came out really, really easy. So ladies, if you're thinking that's going to be hard, don't worry about it. You can do this. So with that being said, I did use a 1/2-inch socket to do so. I wouldn't use a wrench. Socket makes it like real nice and quick. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just slide this out. Now it's set in a groove down here, and all you do is simply pull it and it comes right off. We set this to the side because it has another connection to it, and this comes out. Now, as you can see, it's dirty, needs to be cleaned, needs to be changed. Take this one, put it to the side, and then go ahead and put the new one in, all right, nice and white, and put it in the way that it's designed. You'll see the shape of it on the inside, and it's very easy. Just take it, place it in, put this cap back on, and then just repeat the process of how you took it off. Well, that's going to be it for the video. Thank you guys for tuning in all the way through to the end. That's how you put an engine air filter in your Cadillac CT6. Listen, you all, don't forget we're trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell and also smash that like button. And I'll see you all at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night, and I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.